Welcome to the BChat Beginner Guide. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up a BChat account, start chatting, and use all the key privacy features. First, download BChat from the Play Store, App Store, or the official website, bchat.beldex.io. You open the BChat app for the first time, you will be shown two options: Create Account, Restore Account. For creating your account, read the terms and conditions. Then, select the Create Account option to get started with private messaging. Next, you will be prompted to enter your display name. This name can be updated at any time. This is how your friends will find you in the contact list. After you've set your display name, you can see your BChat ID. Your BChat ID is like your username, and you can share it with your friends to begin a conversation. Then, the Beldex address. Your Beldex address is connected to your BChat ID. Next, you will be prompted to create password. Enter the strongest PIN. Now you will be shown your recovery seed along with two options: copy seed and save. This is the only way to recover your account if you lose access to it. We recommend you copy it. Preferably, write it down on paper. Save it in a secure place. Never share it with anyone. Congratulations! You have successfully created the BChat account. Now start your conversation by clicking on the plus symbol in the right corner of the screen. Next, select New Chat. You can then enter a BChat ID or BNS name, or scan a QR code to begin a conversation. You can chat with your friend. Then tap on your friend's profile at the top to explore more chat options. Here you can access all media and documents, search within the chat, add to home screen, disappearing messages, block user, mute notifications. A secret group is your private space for secure conversations with only the people you choose. It keeps your chats completely confidential within a trusted circle, ensuring total privacy and control. Now let's see how to create a secret group. Tap the plus icon to start creating a group chat. Then select Secret Group. Next, enter group name and add contacts to your group. Once done, tap Create to set up your secret group. Your secret group is now ready, supporting up to 100 participants. Then you can join a social group by entering the official group URL or by scanning QR and clicking Next. You can also directly join official groups like BChat, Beldex, Belnet, Crypto News, or Masternodes. Next, you'll find Note to Self, your personal space to quickly save important notes and reminders in BChat. It works like a private chat with yourself, keeping everything secure and always within reach. Account settings. Open account settings by selecting your profile picture in the left corner. Tap the Edit option to update your profile name and profile picture. You will also see your key account details, including your Beldex address, BChat ID, and QR code. In addition, if you have a BNS name, you can link it directly with your BChat for easy identification. Below the BNS link, you'll find Hops, which shows how your messages move through the Beldex network across different IPs from entry to destination. Then, beneath the Hops option, you'll find App Lock. Here you can change your app password and set the screen lock inactivity timeout. Then you'll find chat settings. Under chat, you can enable or disable Enter Key Sends messages. You'll also find message trimming, which manages old messages, sets a limit of 500 messages per conversation, or allows trimming all conversations. And archived chats, which lets you keep chats archived. Below that, you'll find blocked contacts, where you can view blocked users and unblock them at any time. Then select Clear Data below that. You'll be given two options: Clear Data from Device, which removes your account from the device, including all messages and contact information. Delete entire account. This permanently removes all your account data from both the device and the BChat network. Feedback lets you share your thoughts with the team. FAQs will help you to clarify any questions during the process. The changelog option lets you view the updates, including features and bug fixes for each version. We are done with the account settings. Main menu settings. Now you can head to the main menu. Beneath the profile picture, you can see the Settings option. First, you'll find Settings. where you can manage both app access and communication preferences in one place. Under App Access, you can enable Incognito Keyboard to disable personalized learning for more privacy. Moving to Communication, you can control how you interact in chats through options like Read Receipts, Typing Indicators, Link Previews, and voice and video calls. Next is Notifications, where you control how you receive updates. Under Messages, you can choose between all notifications or priority only. Notification Strategy uses fast mode for instant updates via Google servers. Notification Style lets you choose sound, vibration, or in-chat sounds. Notification Content allows you to decide what is shown, name and content, name only, or no details. Message Requests. Then you'll find Message Requests, where you can manage incoming messages from new or unknown contacts. You can retrieve your seed phrase at any time to recover your account. The Report Issue option lets you quickly flag and submit any problems. The Invite option lets you share and bring others to BChat. About provides app information and version details. Finally, Dark Mode lets you switch between light and dark themes for a comfortable viewing experience. And that's it. You're now ready to use BChat securely and confidently. Start chatting, explore the features, and enjoy complete privacy.